Next up, we have the wall mounting system. As you might guess, it's to be mounted to a wall. There's two varieties, the flange down and the flange up. You can tell the difference because the open side always has to be facing down toward the ground. So when the open end of the track is facing toward the ground, whichever way the flange faces is which mount it is. Now, for the flange up, you have two different mounting options. So if you go to your wall header, you can mount it so that the bottom of the track is level with the bottom of your wall header. We call this a flush mount. Or you can mount it so that the top of the track is level with the bottom of your wall header. We call this an undermount. So you have two different options for mounting here. With the flange down variety, you'll need to mount it high enough so that the flange can overlap with the wall header for support. You can, of course, slide it higher or lower within what your wall header allows.